Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 22. I'm starting this walk at Blue Jay Viewpoint on the eastern edge of Fort Mason. From here, the bay spreads wide. Alcatraz straight ahead, Angel Island in the distance, and the Golden Gate Bridge off to the west. It's one of those spots where you can really appreciate how the city sits right on the edge of the ocean. Heading east, the trail brings me around Black Point, a rocky headland that juts into the bay. This area once had military significance, part of the coastal defenses tied to Fort Mason and the Presidio. The point itself is rugged, with trees and bushes clinging to the slopes. From the trail, you get sharp views back across the marina and forward towards Aquatic Park, making it clear why this spot was considered strategic. Today, though, it's just another reminder of how natural features shape San Francisco's history. Continuing along the waterfront, the path eventually leads towards San Francisco's Fire Department Pumping Station Number 2. At first glance, it's just another utility building along the shore, but it plays a critical role in the city's safety. This pumping station is part of the auxiliary water supply system, built after the 1906 earthquake and the fires that devastated the city. The idea was simple but vital. Have a dedicated system that can draw water directly from the bay and pump it at high pressure through specialized hydrants. That way, if another major fire or earthquake cuts off the regular water mains, the fire department still has a reliable source. The station here at Fort Mason is one of several around the waterfront, each able to feed water into the emergency grid. It's not something most visitors notice, but it represents one of San Francisco's quiet engineering safeguards, a lesson learned from disaster hidden in plain sight along the shoreway. This short walk, from the open views of Blue Jay to the rugged slopes of Black Point, and finally to a piece of the city's vital infrastructure, highlights the mix you get in the Bay Trail: scenery, history, and the practical systems that keep the city running.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.